Hello, hello, hello. Today is Saturday, July 15, 2023. I'm going to show you the solutions to problem 175. It is very sad that I have to mention that I believe there were only 3 people with the correct solution. The reason is that most of you just didn't want to spend the time to watch lecture 18 of 803. That's perfectly okay. For those of you who have not watched my lecture 18 of 803, there is no need for you to even look at the solutions which will follow very shortly. Okay, let's first show you the problem as it was. Unpolarized light of 500 nanometers in air is incident on a plate of glass. The angle of incidence is 40 degrees. This is the angle between the direction of the incoming light and the normal to the glass. The index of refraction of the glass is 1.5. First question: which fraction of the incoming light is reflected off the front surface of the glass? Second question: what is the degree of linear polarization of the reflected light? So now I'm going to show you the solutions, but I will not be very detailed about it because you won't understand it if you haven't watched lecture 18. Are you ready? Here it comes. Only 3 people, maybe 2.5, have this problem, the answers correct. I have chosen Ulf Heller's solutions. Read with me. Solutions to problem 175, reflection of light. In case of an incident unpolarized light beam, we must decompose the associated electric field into 2 components, one perpendicular to the incidence plane and one parallel to it. And he wrote, see Professor Lewin's lecture 18 of 803. So N1 is 1, N2 is 1.5, and the angle of incidence is 40 degrees. Here comes Snell's law. Pretty easy stuff. So he calculates what sine 2 is. The reflection coefficients. The parallel component he calls R parallel, and the perpendicular component he calls R of P. From Fresnel equations in my lecture 18 of 803, you find here what R parallel is, and here you find what R perpendicular is. Again, I'm not explaining any of this, because if you haven't watched my lecture 18, then it's wasted on you anyhow. So the light intensity, we have I parallel, and we have R parallel, I perpendicular, and R perpendicular. And so here comes the answer to the first question. The fraction of the incoming light that is reflected is given here, and that is 4.6%. The second question, the degree of linear polarization after the reflection, you find that here. It's all in lecture 18 of 803, 69%. Yes, this was too difficult, and I also must conclude that it is very unfortunate that most of you did not want to watch lecture 18 of 803. On the other hand, it is not an easy lecture. Okay? Have a nice weekend. It's Saturday, July 15 here. It's early in the morning.